Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Om Fashion. I am Harini. Today I'll show how to mark, cut and stitch a chudidar top in a very easy method. So let's begin. This is chudi fabric and this is a lining material. Folded side facing you and the open side away from you. Fold it lengthwise. I have 4-layer lining here. So start by marking the shoulder width. I have taken shoulder width 14 inches, half of that 7 inches, mark at 7. Here, take down the same measurement, adding half inch more, 7.5 inches. Draw a line. And this parallel line is for chest marking. Now neck width is 3 inches, dip of the neck is 7 inches diagonally. Make a box. Here we are going to mark front neckline. Here measure 1 inch from left to right and mark half inch above. Give a curve shape this way. Now from here mark 1.5 inch distance for the back armhole and half of that 0.75 for the front armhole, half inch shoulder slope. Connect the line from shoulder to neck. Now take the midpoint of armhole length, that is 3.5 inches. From there 3 by 4 inches inside. Now give a free hand curve shape to back armhole. Similarly, give a front armhole crossing over the mark point of reference, that is back armhole, and this one is front armhole. Okay. Now we'll mark chest point. Chest is 38. I have added 4 to that, so 42. 1/4 of 42 is 10.5 plus 1.5 inches for loosening purpose as usual. Now from the shoulder mark 14 inches body length, 21 inch seat length. This marking is for body length, that is waistline, and this is for seat length. See, you can just measure from the shoulder 14 inches. Here we are going to mark our waistline, and this is from shoulder 21 inches seat line. We will mark here seat measurement. From waistline to seat line distance should be 7 inches. This is a standard measurement. Now our waist is 32. 1/4 of 32 is 8 plus half inches, so 8.5 plus 1 inches for seam allowance. Similarly, seat is 40 plus 4, 44. 1/4 of 44 is 11 plus 1. Full length of the top is 38 inches. We are just marking here on the lining material. So I have got 38 inches exactly. We need to take 2 inches more on the real material. Here width is 22. So half of that is 11 plus 1. Bottom width, okay. Now we'll connect chest to waist using curved side of the ruler. Now waist to seat can use straight side, and from there straight down seat to the bottom width. Chest to waist, waist to seat, then from seat to bottom width mark. Okay, now this is chest width, waist and seat, then bottom. Now cut along the marking. Take all the layer together. You can take both the layers and cut till the back armhole mark. This way. Then lift only one layer. And cut along the front neckline as per the mark. Cut front armhole. Then shoulder slope. This is front part. Okay. Give notches near chest, waist point, seat point and the bottom width. Okay. This is the back part. We'll mark back neck. I have taken back neck 5.5 inches deep. So mark diagonally 5.5 inch. Similarly make a box. And just draw a simple round shape. You may give any shape of your choice. Cut along the shape. Now place front part of the lining piece on a single folded chudi fabric. Place it on the wrong side. Secure it with some pin. Full length of the chudi top is 38 inches plus 2 inches for allowance. So take extra 2 inches there. Now cut out the chudi portion as per the lining. Cut with 1/4 inch extra. Give notches, chest, waist, seat, then bottom width. Similarly, place the back part. Here also full length need to take 40 inches. 38 plus 2, 40 inches. Draw a line there. Secure it with the pins. So that it doesn't move. Now cut out the chudi portion for the back portion as well. Cut along the lining shape. Give notches at the chest, waist, seat, and then bottom width. This is back part. Now we'll cut the sleeves. Double folded, which should be 1.5 inch more than the armhole. Our armhole is 16, half of that is 8, so 8 plus 1.5, so total width we need 9.5 inches. Just draw a line for reference to level it. Now sleeve length is 6 plus half inch allowance, 6.5 inch. Mark at 6.5 inch. Draw a line parallel to the reference line. Here just mark at 9.5 inches. From there 3 inches down. This way, connect it by drawing a diagonal line this way. Here mark 2 inches and take the midpoint of diagonal line, that is 5 inches, half of 10. Mark a half inch up, half inch down for the front and back armhole. Now draw a curve shape for the back armhole and front armhole crossing to the midpoint this way. Mark this sleeve round. I have taken 7, half of 14 plus 2, connect the line. Now cut along the mark. Cut back armhole. Then only lift 2 layers and give shape for the front armhole. Only 2 layers, not to take all the layers. Give a notch mark. Two sleeves are ready. Now we will attach lining to the original chudi fabric Align them together neatly. Pin it up. Give basting stitches all along the edges. Basting stitch is nothing but long stitch. This stitch we are giving on the fair side of the fabric. We need to fold 1/4 inch bottom of the lining part to conceal our edges. Here we need to fold the 1/4 inch. This is the front part. Similarly, provide basting stitch along the outline of the back part as well. See, here we need to fold 1/4 inch. Basting stitch has already been given. Now cut off the extras. This is front one and this one is back one. Now we'll cut canvas for the front neck. Here folding is already done. See, here also I have folded 1/4 inch, so I'm just showing. Now we will cut canvas for the front neckline. Place neck part on canvas folded side. Trace out the neckline shape. We need border also around 1.5 inch. Cut as per the shape. Similarly, trace out the same on fabric 2. Remember, it should be placed on the folded side. Cut the shape. Here too we need 1.5 inch for folding. both the borders. Now attach the cutouts of the canvas and the fabric by giving a single stitch this way. Attach the cutouts of the canvas and the fabric by giving a single stitch this way. Now place this on the neckline of the chudi top, pin it up. Now start sewing from the one end of the neck. When you reach near that square shape, just stop there, needle down, lift the foot up, then continue stitching. Stop there again, needle down, reposition the cloth, give shape, stop there, then continue stitching till the end. This way you can retain the shape, whatever shape you are giving to neck. Now just give cuts at the corners so that you can easily fold it in. See, this way you can fold easily. To get shape, you can use the scissors. Pin it up. Stitch along the neck. Fold it inwards. Pin it up and stitch along the edge of the neckline. And complete it. Here you can use scissors to get the shape. Okay, now it's done. This is the pant piece of this chudi top. For this neck design, I will be using 2 strips from this pant piece and a golden strip that I have cut out from the dress material. I'm going to place this golden strip in between them this way. Just fold the bottom ends of the strips in such a way that they form a triangular design. About 1 inch thickness folded strip, same type, 2 strips required. We'll give stitches at the raw edges. Just fold like this, pin it up, then stitch the raw edges. Cut off the extras. Similarly, make another strip. So I have ready here. Now place them side by side this way and stitch. Then place this golden strip in the middle of the 2 blue strips. So now that we have all the strips ready, let's mark the boundaries. Now attach the strips. I'm going to place this golden strip in between the blue strips. See, this is how it looks after stitch. Now place a back neck on leftover material on folded side. Place it this way. Just mark and cut off the back neck outline. Leaving 1.5 inch border for folding. Place this on the back neckline to consider our edges to get the neat finish. Here to just pin it up. Give stitch along the neckline. Give small cuts to get neat round shape when you fold inwards. Now put top stitch. By doing this, we can fold neatly inwards. I have shown it in my previous video also. You can please refer to that. Give one more stitch on this. Just at the edge of the neckline. Here you need to fold 1/4 inch. After giving stitch, you need to give hand stitch. So now back part is over. Now we will attach front and back panels facing right on right, this way. See, right on right side. Start sewing on the wrong side. First give a straight stitch, then 1/2 inch below give double stitch, similarly do the same with the other part. So I have done here. Next I'm gonna attach sleeves. Just place right on right side. Stitch along the straight side, on the wrong side. Then open, put top stitch on the fair side. This way. Now we'll give basting stitch along the edges. Cut off the extras. Similarly do the same with the other part of the sleeve. See, here I have done. Deep curve on right side of the sleeve is for right arm, and the deep curve on left is for left arm. This way you can identify right and left armhole sleeve. Okay. Next, I'm going to attach sleeves, match the notches, joint of the shoulder and the notch given in the sleeves. Align the corner sides together, right on right side. Start sewing from one side of the sleeve. Need to give double stitch. Do the same with the other part of the sleeve. See, I have already attached the other part of the sleeve. Now let's mark as per the measurement on the wrong side. First measure the total width and then mark equally on both sides. Here armhole is 16 inches, half of that is 8. So mark at 8. Both the sides. If the measurement is correct, it will tally. See, our chest is 38, half of that is 19. Waist is 32. Just measure total width, then mark equally on both sides. So marked at 16. Now this is 20. Seat is 20. Bottom width 22. Okay. I will connect the lines as per the marking. You can use curve side, chest to waist, waist to seat. Straight side you can use, then straight down, connect the line to the mark. Now mark the sleeve round, connect to the chest point. Here too mark it and connect it to the chest point. Now we'll stitch along the mark. Now we will start sewing from the sleeve. Stitch along the mark till the seat line. Stop there where the notch mark is given. Lift the foot there and continue stitching till the sleeve. Double stitch it. Now first fold the raw edges up to the mark line to form a narrow strip this way. Do the same for the back side as well. Pin it up properly. The folded strip should be inwards. Do the same for the back side as well. Like this. Now start sewing from the bottom. Remove pin. Once you reach the edge of the slit, lift the footer up, needle down, give a horizontal stitch this way and continue stitching along the folded strip on the back side. Now just turn and give another stitch on the other side. This way. Follow the same procedure. I have completed it on the other side. You can see. Now we will fold the bottom edge to conceal the raw edges. Fold it neatly, pin it up, then start sewing from the bottom edge. Complete one side. And give another stitch on the other side. Do the same with the other bottom edge of the back side. That is back part. Check the length and fold extra. Whatever extras you are getting, just fold it and stitch along the fold. Complete the other side by giving another stitch. Okay, this is done now. Now I'm going to attach this golden strip at the edge of the bottom. This cutout I got it from the dress material. give stitch to all the edges of the golden strip. I have attached the golden strip at the bottom edge of the front part. As you can see, I have attached 2 buttons in the center of the neck design. I hope you liked my video. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos. Wish you all a happy new year. Bye bye.